Today is May the 17th, 2024. My name is LK. This is my fourth talk. This time I'll be talking about nature insight in nature site. I will be addressing the recent aurora and our hormones. So there's a simple poem that I created. It's called Aurora in Motion. Hormones, homeostasis, natural intelligence equals to artificial intelligence. What I'm trying to address and negate are that our hormones influence the way we live and the way we communicate and the way we negate emotions. It is sad to a degree when you look at evolution that oxytocin, one of the three hormones like prolactin, oxytocin, and cortisol. First, oxytocin, there's a picture of a mother and baby dolphin. They are communicating in love. In evolution, we all have oxytocin, and I was interested in the chemistry in oxytocin. So I did a sketch on the number of chemistry or the molecules in these elements. For instance, carbon 43, hydrogen 66, nitrogen 12, oxygen 12, and sulfur 2. So you can either chart yourself with two molecules of hydrogen in each space, and you will add up to 16 times 16 times 4, which equals to 64 plus 2, and with the same pattern for nitrogen 12 and oxygen 12. And you can chart it into like a graphic ellipse like the earth. There's a high content of carbon and a high content of hydrogen. And using my idyllic music approach, you can actually play the tune or combine the molecules to have or to contain all the molecules in the musical notes, including hydrogen for do, fa for carbon, N for sol, O for oxygen, 3 is do, re, mi. And so you can create or make interesting music out of it. Today, I also wanted to mention about prolactin, which is the mother-child bond. This concept or this inspiration was during Mother's Day, and the essential missing dynamic nature's gift of mother-child bond through prolactin, a hormone. Of course, you have to add the oxytocin, so we have the oxytocin plus the prolactin. The next one is cortisol, and cortisol talks about your brain, which has a chemistry of C, carbon 21, hydrogen 30, oxygen 5. Equally, you can make music out of the brain, of the cortisol, of hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and the thalamus. These are the three important components of the cortisol. So we have passed that, and I've done a moderate picture of the aurora on the background with the hormones to maintain homeostasis with the aid of natural intelligence versus AI, artificial intelligence. Next, I would like to share the music I have composed in 2022. It's called Nature Insight. Nature Insight, the poem goes as this. Nature Insight, meteors shower meteorites to suffice abundant elements on Earth. Nature Insight, solar wind excites magnetosphere to announce auroras in complexity and colors. Nature Insight, chemical compositions in photosynthesis to evolve life in aquageospheres. Nature Insight, decoding of contours and configurations to procreate substances on Earth. Nature Insight, enhancing aesthetic and aromatic auras to display intrinsic uniqueness on Earth. Nature Insight, sounding and silencings of space-time to sonify climax hushed natural insights. The chemical equation for photosynthesis is 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O equals to 6 C 6H12O6 plus 6O2. I'll repeat, 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O equals to 6 C6H12O6 plus 6O2. So I've changed the lyrics for the music to have the sounds of 4/8/8 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stanzas. So it will be in the next recording. And thank you for listening. And thanks. I'll just talk to you later.